Good morning children. I hope class 10th children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. As in our last class we have completed exercise 3.4 and we had to start a new chapter. We have been doing pair of linear equations and new exercise we have exercise 3.6 and two questions are there. Today we will see question number 1 and many sub questions are there under this question number 1, so we will try to see. So let's start. Here we have exercise 3.6 and first question we have: solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. So first question you see 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2 and 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. I hope you will be able to do. Then also just you see how we will solve this. Here you see we have 1 by 2x and 1 by 3y. Here we have 1 by 3x and 1 by 2y. This is not equal. So what is required to be done? Just you see we will try to make equal at least one variable, either x or y. Here we have 2x and here we have 3x. Here you see what we will do. We will multiply by 1 by 3 and here we will multiply by 1 by 2. So here we will get 1 by 6x plus 1 by 9y is equal to 2 by 3, and this will be your first equation, and second equation you will be having 1 by 6x plus 1 by 4y is equal to 13 by 12. Now here you see your variable x is equal. So what is required to be done? Suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So 2 is required to be subtracted from 1. So by subtracting equation 2 from 1, what we will get? 1 by 6x plus 1 by 9y is equal to 2 by 3. And 1 by 6x plus 1 by 4y is equal to 13 by 12 we have. So sign will be changed and this will be cancelled. You will be left with 1 by 9y minus 1 by 4y is equal to 2 by 3 minus 13 by 12. Now this we will simplify. Here you see 1 by 9y and 1 by 4y you have. So LCM will be you will be having 36y, and here you will have 4 minus 9, and that is equal to 2 by 3 and 13 by 12 you have. Your LCM will be 12, and here you will have 3 4 ja 12 and 4 2 ja 8. Minus here you will have 13. Now you see what you will get. Here you will get minus 5 by, this will be cancelled, 12 1 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36. So you will get minus 5 by 3y is equal to minus 5 by 1, or this 5 and 5 also will be cancelled. So you will get 3y is equal to 1 and hence y will be 1 by 3. Now by substituting the value of y in equation, in any equation you put. Suppose we had our equation 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y. 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. So here you will have 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3 into 3, and that is 3 into 1 by 3. So this will be 3 into 1 by 3 means what? Here 1 you will have and here 3 you will have. 1 by 3, 3 will go in numerator, and 3 will be cancelled, and you will get 1 by 2x plus 1 is equal to 2, or 1 by 2x will be equal to 2 minus 1, and here we had 1 by 2x plus 1 is equal to 2, so 1 we will take right side, it will become 2 minus 1, and then we will get 1 by 2x is equal to 1, and therefore 2x into 1, 2x is equal to 1, it means x is equal to 1 by 2. So finally what you have got, x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3, and this will be your answer. Next question we will see. Here suppose you have 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2 and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. So how we will solve this? Here what we will do, 1 by root x, suppose 1 by root x is equal to anything, any variable you assume, suppose we have assumed a, and 1 by root y is equal to b. Then our equation will become 2a plus 3b is equal to 2 and 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. Now what we will do, here you see you have 2a and 4a, here you have 3b and 9b. So just you multiply this first equation, suppose this is your first equation and this is your second equation. So this you multiply by 3 and second equation you multiply by 1. So what you will get, 3 2 ja 6a plus 3 3 ja 9b is equal to 6, and here you will get 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. Now here you have 9b and 9b will be equal, so that will be cancelled, and 10a will be equal to, here you will get 5, and therefore a will be equal to 5 by 10, it means 1 by 2. Now this value is required to be substituted. So if you are by replacing a in any of the equation, suppose we have replaced in equation 1, what we will get, 2a plus 3b is equal to 2, just we need to put value 1 by 2, so we will get 2 into 1 by 2, the a is equal to 1 by 2 we have, plus 3b is equal to 2, or this will be cancelled, 3b will be equal to 2 minus 1, and therefore b will be equal to 1 by 3. So we have got a is equal to 1 by 2 and b is equal to 1 by 3. So again this is required to be replaced here, because we had assumed 1 by root x is equal to a. So now 1 by root x is equal to, we have 1 by 2 and therefore root x is equal to 2, and squaring both sides x will be 4, and here 1 by root y is equal to 1 by 3. Squaring both sides, what we will get? Root y, first we will get root y is equal to 3, and by squaring both sides we will get y is equal to 9. So finally x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9 we have got, and this is your answer. So in this way this is required to be replaced first and should be reduced by putting suitable value or suitable variable. Here you see in this type of question two ways are there to solve. First way is there, directly we can solve this question. How we will solve, you see. Here you see what we will do. Seven x minus 2y is equal to 5xy. Cross multiplication we have done. So suppose this is equation 1, and second equation is 8x plus 7y is equal to 15xy. Suppose this is your second equation. Now you see you have 7x and 8x, and here you have 2y and 7y, minus 2y and 7y. So if you want to eliminate any variable, this is required to be made equal. So first suppose just we will make y term equal. So for that what will be required? Suppose here we will multiply by 7, and here second equation will be multiplied by 2. So 7 7 ja 49x minus 14y is equal to 35xy you will get. Now if by 2 you are multiplying, you will get 16x plus 14y is equal to 30xy. Now just you see, here negative you have, here positive you have variable y. So this will be cancelled if you are adding equation 1 and 2. So this will be cancelled. You will be left with 9 and 6 15, and this will be 6. X is equal to 65xy. Now y will be equal to what? This y will be equal to 65x divided by this 65x. 65x divided by 65x. So this will be cancelled and you will get 1. So y you have got 1. Now by replacing the value of y in any of the equation you put, suppose take this equation, first equation, what you have? 7x minus 2y is equal to 5xy. Now y we have 1, so 7x minus 2 into 1 is equal to 5 into x into 1, or you will get, here you will get 7x minus 5x is equal to 2. This 5x has been brought left side, this 2 into 1 minus 2 has been taken right side, and this will be 2x is equal to 2, therefore x will be equal to 2 by 2 means 1. So finally you have got x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, and this is your answer. So one way is there, directly you can do like this, and second way is there, this 7x minus 2y by xy what you have, what can be done? This can be simplified and xy can be divided in both. So 7x by xy minus 2y by xy is equal to 5. So this x and x will be cancelled, y and y will be cancelled, so you will be left with 7y minus 2 by x, 7 by y minus 2 by x is equal to 5, and then you need to assume this 1 by y is equal to a, 1 by x is equal to b, and then you need to again simplify. So either you can do directly in this way or by this way also you can move. So try to solve by this way also. Next we will see this. I hope this is similar question you will be able to solve. Directly you solve, I think you will be able to do. Next we will be having two questions we have left, that is 7 and 8. So it will be better I am solving this question so that easily you will be able to understand this. This you need to do what? 1 by x plus y you assume a, and 1 by x minus y you assume b. So 10 by a, or simply what you can do, 1 by x plus y is equal to a and 1 by x minus y is equal to b you assume. So your equation will be 10a plus 2b is equal to 4 and 15a minus 5b is equal to minus 2, and this equation you have got. Now this you solve, I think you will be able to solve, and then again after getting a and b you replace by x plus y and x minus y, and again two equation you will get, and then you need to find out x and y. We will see question number 8. Here you have 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4, and 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. So we need to assume, suppose 1 by 3x plus y is equal to a and 1 by 3x minus y is equal to b. Now here we have 1 by 3x plus y is equal to a. So a plus 1 by 3x minus y is equal to b. A plus b is equal to 3 by 4. And second equation you will be having 1 a by 2 plus minus b by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. Now you see your equation, you have a plus b is equal to 3 by 4 and a by 2 minus b by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. So what is required to be done? This second equation what you have got, this you simplify, or this can be written as this you assume first equation and this you simplify. Suppose if you are taking your LCM 2, and here you will have a minus b is equal to minus 1 by 8, or you will get a minus b is equal to, cross multiple we need to do, so this will be 2 will go right side, so this will be minus 1 into 2, it means minus 2 by 8, and this will become 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. So finally you will get a minus b is equal to minus 1 by 4, and this will be your second equation. So now we have two equations, a plus b is equal to 3 by 4, and second equation we have a minus b is equal to minus 1 by 4. Now you see what we will do, b and b plus sign and minus sign it has, so this will be cancelled. If you are adding both the equation, this will be cancelled, you will get 2a is equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, or 2a will be equal to 4 LCM you will have 3 minus 1 or a will be equal to, here you will have 2 by 4 and this 2 will go in denominator, 2 and 2 will be cancelled, a you will get 1 by 4. By replacing a in equation suppose you take 1, so you will have a plus b is equal to 3 by 4, then a is equal to 1 by 4 plus b is equal to 3 by 4, or b will be equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 and b will be equal to 2 by 4, and that's why this will be 1 by 2. So a you have got 1 by 4 and b you have got 1 by 2. So now what we will do, we will replace a and b with 1 by 3x plus y is equal to a and 1 by 3x minus y is equal to b. So let's see. Now by replacing the value of a and b, we will get what we have, 1 by 3x plus y is equal to a we had 1 by 3x plus y is equal to a and 1 by 3x minus y is equal to b. A we have got 1 by 4 and b we have got 1 by 2. So 1 by 3x plus y is equal to, a is equal to 1 by 4. So if we are doing cross multiple, what we will get, 3x plus y is equal to 4, this you suppose third equation, and 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 1 by 2 we have. If we will do cross multiple, then we will get 3x minus y is equal to 2, this is your fourth equation. Now if you are adding 3 and 4, by adding equation 3 and 4, what we will get, here you see we have 3x plus y is equal to 4 and 3x minus y is equal to 2. So 3x and 3x will become 6x, y and minus y will be cancelled, and that is equal to 4 and plus 2 will be 6. Here you see 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, 3x and 3x is equal to 6x. Therefore x will be equal to 6 by 6, it means 1. Now by putting the value of x in equation, in any equation you put, suppose equation 3, so you will be having 3x plus y is equal to 4 and x is equal to 1 we have, so 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4, or y will be equal to 4 minus 3 and therefore y will be equal to 1. So finally you have got x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, and this will be your answer. So in this way I think we have completed up to question number 8, and few questions are left. I hope you will be able to solve all the questions and start even word problems also. I hope you will understand. Try to start so that if this class will be taken, you will understand in better way. So till then, thank you.